If you're looking for that Audible Standard 30-day free trial, there's a link in the description that will take you to this landing page. It's kind of a hard landing page to get to because they don't advertise it on Amazon where you have your Audible membership stuff, but you can actually do the 30-day free trial from this landing page where it talks about this new membership. So if you haven't heard, Audible Standard is this new Audible membership that's way cheaper than the previous Premium Plus membership. Both of those are on here so you can compare them. You can see a free trial for both of them and try one over the other if you'd like. Basically, Audible Premium Plus, you get 1 credit per month. As long as you have your membership, that credit rolls over and you can buy books and listen to them. Even if you cancel your membership, you can still listen to those books. Audible Standard is a cheaper membership where your credits do not roll over and you can only listen to the titles that you've purchased if you still have your Audible Standard membership or another membership. And so that's kind of the difference. Like if you cancel your standard membership, you can't listen to the titles that you got through standard, but if you do re-up at any time, you can listen to them. They all open up again. You also get different Audible Premium Plus titles with the Plus membership, where you can actually access a lot of extra free books that don't cost your credits that maybe standard doesn't have. But for the most part, the 1 credit per month difference is sort of the main difference between standard and Premium Plus. All you have to do is click that try standard for free, put in your details, and you'll be able to try out the Audible Standard 30-day free trial. Link in the description to that landing page. Enjoy Audible Standard because it's the newest, latest, cheapest way to get Audible.